Hello, I'm Charm2. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. If you want, don't forget to click the notification bell, share, comment, and thumbs up. Oops, this one is a facial wash. Sealed Diopros Snail Recovery Cleansing Foam Multifunction. I like to try this. First time to buy this, try this. To those who want to buy this one, comment down below. Have shipping free in Taiwan only. If Philippines have shipping free, but it's more expensive shipping free. This one in Philippines have also selling. I like to try this to my face, to have a glass skin face. This one is Bello Underarm Whitening Cream. Sa mga tao, if your underarm is a little bit dark, you can use this to whiten your dark underarm. Bello in Philippines. You can buy this in Philippines. Bello. This one is Bello Intense Whitening Face and Neck Cream. If your face have the wrinkles, the melasma, pimples, use this, and your face will become beautiful, and neck become younger looking skin. This one is but if your skin is sensitive, have allergy, don't use these products. If you have allergy, maybe it will more complicated only. But if your skin is natural, healthy skin, you can use this three. This one, my last item, is the cell phone stick. Yeah.